Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017 on a 67 plate Peugeot partner Horizon. This is the 1.6 turbo diesel with a 5-speed manual gearbox, finished in Kyanos blue metallic. It's covered just 33,000 miles and is a wheelchair access vehicle. Another one in stock for us. We really like these popular things. December 2017 registered. 33,000 miles on the clock, that's all. We've just purchased the vehicle from a local lady, a workshop customer of ours. She had the car MOT'd with us last week because she was going to sell it, and instead of it going to those devils that We Buy Any Car, we bought it ourselves. We also completed the last service on it, which was last year. It's had 4 services in total, so really well maintained. Continental tyres all round with really good tread. Now this is a rare Horizon model, which there are plenty of, however most of them have only got 3 seats. This has 2 seats in the front, of course, and 3 seats across the back, so just like the normal Peugeot partner TP, but it also has the wheelchair ramp at the back as well, so you're getting the best of all worlds. Fantastic condition throughout, especially for one of these. Has not had a hard life at all. Parking sensors across the back. All the wheel trims are in really good shape. In fact, the two front ones are brand new, and I think it looks great in the Kyanos blue. Really nice level of spec as well. So you've got the parking sensors, you've got remote central locking. It does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Interior's lovely. Seats are in great shape. No rips or tears, all the bolsters are good. On the passenger side as well. Steering wheel's in good order, as are the plastics. A little bit of nibbling just on the edge of that door handle there, as they all do. Handbooks. You've got electric windows in the front, electronically adjustable door mirrors. It's got start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off. You've got some radio controls. Underneath, we've got your cruise control with speed limiter. Manual handbrake down below and a couple of cup holders. 5-speed manual gearbox. Electric windows. You've got your 12-volt socket. And then as we make our way up, air conditioning, of course. You've got an auxiliary input. Radio CD. Of course, you've got that nice raised seating position, so you are up in the air. Peugeot say you'll be getting on for 70 miles to the gallon on a combined run, so fantastic on fuel. And road tax is £165 for the 12 months. Sliding rear doors, and then you've got these 3 seats across the back, again in really good shape. It's got its carpet mats, inflation kit for the in case you get a puncture. All the plastics are good. 3 proper seat belts. Most of them just have the 1 seat on this side. So like I say, you don't have to just use this as a wheelchair vehicle. If you've got a family, you still get in the back, you've got your parcel shelf, you've still got this flat load space, and then obviously, I'm not going to do it now, but you pull this handle here, it unclips this load section, that falls down, and then obviously you've got your ramp that comes down. You've got your electrics, you've got your wheelchair restraint switch, and then all your bits and bobs, harnesses and so on, are all here, and your seatbelt. And that's about the size of it. Super condition. '67 plate Peugeot partner Horizon, 33,000 miles, really good service history, excellent condition, and a 5-seat model as well. Finance is available from around £250 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with an MOT until February of 2024, 2 keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. We always do really well with these very popular cars. If you're after one, this is certainly a very nice one. Thanks for watching.